About this item specification: Dell laptop replacement battery type, Li-ion, voltage, 11.4 V, capacity, 42 Wh, cells, 3 cell stability. WDX0R WDX0R laptop battery replacement battery for Dell offers 500 plus recharge cycles over life of battery compatible model. Check description below for more models. Dell laptop battery WDX0R YRDD6P69G0013CRH3FC92NT2JX4C4HCWY3F7Y Dell battery 42 WH 11.4V Leon WDX0R Dell battery Dell Inspiron 15 5570 battery Inspiron 13 to 7378 battery Inspiron 15 to 7579 battery Dell Inspiron 5379 battery Dell Inspiron 5567 battery Dell Inspiron 13 7000 battery Dell Inspiron P69G battery Dell Inspiron 7573 battery Dell Latitude 3340 3590 battery Dell